Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're again out here in Florida, Punta Gorda South, actually Clewiston, in the heavy yard, and we bought ourselves a camper. So I never actually checked this one out. It was kind of a spontaneous buy. It was playing 2022, the pictures look good, and we kind of did what we told you guys not to. We bought it without looking at it. So let's go ahead and check this thing out, see if it was a good deal, bad deal. I mean, I have no idea what's gonna happen. We're gonna open those doors, either some fresh air or a huge wall of, mold air. So you never know. It is a destruction title. It is water damage. So it's kind of, but I think we got a good deal out of it. Either way, somebody could have a great camper at home or you just park it somewhere. Perfect, ideal for that. So let's just check out the front and see the good, the bad. So 2022, all electronic, that's nice. No power, battery's probably dead. Hey, we got tanks. Sounds good. I don't know why that makes me so happy. I just feel better if we do have tanks. Our batteries there. Usually, sometimes all this is gone. Looks like we got the big ball. Hopefully we have the right hitch. Yeah, we should be fine. So we just bought it. We're picking it up and we're gonna haul it home, but we're just gonna check it out. Nice. It's looking pretty clean. Yeah, come check it out inside. Smells good. The wood looks like it's in good shape. Our power cord is there. That's nice. That's really good news so far because this is kind of the low spot right here. Let's check out the front as well, honestly. Yeah, got it. There's a lot of electronics in the front. And let me see if those are corroded. I see a little bit of corrosion. Not bad, but it could be just because it's exposed like that in the air, salt air. So maybe got a little bit of water. Definitely could take those apart, wire brush them, clean up. I don't think it's too bad, but there's a little bit, Hey, that makes sense. They salvage that for a reason, but not bad so far. Still happy, still kind of anxious and worried, but not too bad. That's the same right there. Overall, not bad. 2 to 3 year warranty. I don't know if that still applies. Got some good tires. Yeah, they're there. Beautiful. So we got 2 doors, awning seems like it's in good shape. We got a spare tire, that's good. It's always good to have a spare tire, especially when you have a 600-mile road trip ahead of us. So the plug is in the back, it's interesting. I don't know, I've seen it on both sides, left, front, back, middle, side, so all the way in the back it's kind of different, but why not? Jayco, you do your own thing, whatever. I don't see any power lifts, it looks like it's all manual. Which is okay, that's still fine. So you gotta basically, the leveling jacks, do it by hand. Nice big slide out. No damage so far. Nice little storage compartment. Nothing crazy. So overall the outside does look good, and that's the pictures they did look good. So I'm happy it's still intact. Let's go ahead and open the door and see what we bought. Can we get lucky the second time? Because we bought one like this and we didn't check it out. It was actually a really good deal and I was really happy with it. So we did it again. We bought another without looking at it. It's so hard. By the time you get down here and check everything out, it takes so much time. So sometimes you gotta pull the trigger and buy it without looking at it. But let's go check it out. All right, guys, here we go. All right, it's unlocked, that's good. Yeah. Nice. This is kind of the older stair system right there, kind of the unfold, but it's not bad, does the job. Overall, not bad at all, guys. Pretty clean smell. Nice. Already up. Got ourselves a new mattress right there, still in the bag. 2022. Smells good. I see a little sand, but honestly, it just could have been dirty. Somebody, didn't clean it. Wow. Okay, wired for solar panels. I definitely want to go on top and see if it actually has some solar panels. That would be great. But if it doesn't, it's okay. That sticker just means there's some wires on top. You get all excited. Wire for solar panels, yeah! And it's just like 2 little cords. So silly. But it looks really clean. I don't think anybody even camped in this thing yet. Wow. Let's keep going. Look at that, nothing. Honestly, that's even way better this way if you don't find nothing. Because if there's a lot of junk, it's like people leave their personal stuff and it's just such a mess, and then it gets destroyed and things get tossed around. So this is really nice. Nice, clean bathroom. Nobody's stuff. Nothing in here, and it smells nice. So this is a door. I guess you have your master bedroom. There's probably a sliding door here as well, so some privacy and stuff. Cool. This will probably be more space once you open it up, but let's see if we get in there. All right, all right. Ooh, I really like the white for sure. It's definitely modern, very clean. Sorry guys, probably dark in here. Let's see if we get some light. Refrigerator looks really mint. So different levels, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's the whole gas / electric and stuff. I just hope it's clean. Yes, look at that, guys. Brand new. Awesome. What a find. I love when you find nothing inside. So nice. A little dinette right here. So probably become a bed / table to hang out with. You've got your stove, microwave. Beautiful, nice and clean. We got some keys going on right there. 2 sets. And there's our control panel right there. Rear camera system. RV is wired for rear observation safety. Okay, so it also has a wire for it. Probably nothing there though. Really nice. Look at that. Everything's clean. And then you've got your hangout area, I guess, over here. No TV? I'm surprised. If you had a TV, where would you put it? I'm not even sure, guys. I mean, that's kind of interesting, but whatever, you know, you don't have to be watching TV every time we go camping. Even though kids, it's nice. Let's go ahead and check out this fuse box right here, because we are water damaged, so this is the main reason. Oh yeah, beautiful. Looks great. Perfect. Smells great, looks great. Floor feels solid. I think this is a win, guys. Woohoo! Nice. Let's go ahead and just, I don't know, start loading up and start heading down the road. Make sure our connections are good, our brake lights, all that lights on the side. Check underneath again, make sure everything's secure, but this is nice. I'm very happy and stoked about it for sure. Sometimes they're bad, so this is good. All right, guys, so we plugged in the truck to the camper, so now we have power. Lights are on, everything plugged in nicely, and so far responding properly. So let's go ahead and slide out. It's just a little 12-volt battery, but we're not like plugged into 30 amp or anything like that, so that makes sense. We were good on that side, right? I'm pretty sure there's, yeah, I think we're clear. Wow, definitely opens up nicely. Oh, and that's where the TV goes. Okay, that makes sense now. That's your entertainment system fireplace right there. Minus the fireplace, just got more cabinet space. Wow, definitely deep, but looking good. So basically this would be out if you're already set up and everything like that. But nice, very clean, very comfortable, looking good, lots of storage space, things like that. I like it. And there's Ivan. We got the manual right here. Jayco manual for sure. Oh yeah, we got TV mounts, we got controllers, we got manuals, pamphlets, everything. That's nice. Really good.
This looked at when it came up a lot.
Oh yeah, brand new. Kind of sad they salvaged it out, but not really, because we got a good deal. So risked it, and it looks great. Beautiful. So we'll just double check the lights outside, but everything inside works how it should so far. Nice. Oh, there actually is some cleaning supplies. Looks like a gift basket. It's a legit gift basket. Not even used. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. So this is like your starter cleaning kit, which hasn't been used. So I think it is like a dealership thing. You got some cards to play, some chocolates. Wow, kind of sad they never even got to use it. We'll just tuck that away for now. But that's pretty cool. It's always fun to open, stuff and find things like that. Oh, nice. Oh, this is great. This is great, guys. makes driving 10 hours one way kind of worth it. All right, whatever, let's go. So just double checking outside, everything inside is working. We've got our lights that are on, so little side markers. It's a beautiful thing. It's just a beautiful thing when you plug it in and everything works, you know, plug and play. Lights, lights, lights. Camera action, perfect. Tail lights, side markers. We'll test our trailer brakes, but overall, looking good, guys, looking good. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pack it all up and hit the road. All right, guys, it's been about 30 minutes. Driving now, still looking good. Checking the tire pressure, refueling. Why not? Got a little strap right there, battery strap, might as well not lose that guy. Going to secure it a little better. Oh yeah, ain't going nowhere. Beautiful. Enough clearance. So nice. Oh yeah. I'm excited about this one for sure. I think it'll be a great flip, great camper for somebody. Check inside. Oh, sorry, wrong buttons. There we go. Still looking good. Hopefully these won't shift around too much. Pretty heavy. It looks good. So let's go ahead and go on a 600-mile journey back to the shop. Doing good. And all right, guys, just like that, it's already morning and we made it back to the shop. Praise the Lord, safe and sound. Another great trip to Florida, 600 miles from getting the Mustang to the Corvette to campers. Yeah, a lot of good deals down there. Unfortunately, it's really far, 10-hour drive, there and back, there and back, there and back. I don't know how many miles we already spent going to Florida, but hey, it is what it is. Whew, made it back safe. Go ahead, I'm gonna probably take a nap. And then go ahead and open this up, clean it out inside, and wipe it down. I think we got a great deal, so I'm stoked about it. Definitely worth the journey. And just like that, cleaned up. Honestly, did not take much effort to get this thing cleaned up because it's already so beautiful, and just going through it, I don't think anybody ever camped in it. Looks like brand new off the lot. Everything is just so clean in it. So that's basically a bed right there that just pulls out. Got a little chilling area right here. So you're hanging out and you watch your TV, which has never been even mounted before. A little dinette right here going on so you could hang out. Also becomes a bed that drops down. Boom, boom. This thing actually sleeps 6 people. So clean. I'm just so surprised that they gave this thing a destruction title when everything works. Refrigerator, I had the heat going, AC going, everything was turning on. I mean, not a problem. This thing itself is pretty, look at this. Never cooked on, never used. Wow. I think I got the gas turned on right now. Actually came with propane tanks. Boom, 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 just like that. So nice. Microwave, brand new sink. I mean, no signs of water damage at all on the inside. Nothing but green lights. Like I said, beautiful camper. I think it's a steal deal. This is why we go out there and check them out. And sometimes they just don't have any damage, but you know, they were there and salvaged it out. So that does happen sometimes, and hence why we've been checking out flooded vehicles and campers for about 6-7 years now, trying to find the good ones. There are some risks, and sometimes they are bad, but sometimes they're just brand new. This is crazy, it has a destruction title, but hey, it is what it is. Somebody thought it needs a destruction title, which is, like I said, it's crazy. Oh wow, guys, I love it. Definitely a win. Great camper. Wow, guys, another great buy. I feel blessed, honestly, because sometimes you don't get this lucky without looking at it and actually getting such a steal deal and being so clean. So there's a lot of bad campers out there. I mean, I remember going countless doors, just opening it, walk away, open it, walk away. But this one turned out to be a great one. Reading some comments below that, hey, destruction title, COD, that's it could never be used, blah, blah, blah. I mean, like, it's still a great camper. So just because somebody gave it that brand doesn't mean you can't park it somewhere and use it as a house. I mean, this is brand new, definitely convenient to have, you know, fishing boat, lake house kind of thing, somewhere out there camping and park it and use it for sure. Even if you're building a house or something, park a camper, why not? Something temporary, but something stationary for sure, because you can't put it on the road, can't tag it, but hey, there's still plenty of benefits having a camper like this, so not bad. Let me know what you guys think about it, kind of thing. I mean, it's still motivating to go get some more campers. I know, guys, it's not always what we do, but hey, it's the season for campers right now. It's cold. Not a lot of people are bidding on campers, and it's the time to buy. Like, this is the time to buy a boat. This is the time to shop around for stuff that's out of season, because then once it becomes in season, their prices always go up, and people are trying to look for it, kind of thing. So, you gotta shop smart, shop around, you know, put your time into it, and yeah, get a great deal. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Leave some comments down below. We love reading your feedback and your opinions on it, so it's always fun to see. Yeah, hopefully we'll pick up some more cool builds. Until next time.